Abby, and I'm going to be telling you about my book, Skippy John Jones by J.D. Salinger. Skippy John is a Siamese cat that thinks he is a chihuahua because he has really big ears. First, he puts on his mask and his cape and got onto his mouth and turned into El Cepillo Fresquito, the great sword-fighting chihuahua. Next, he bounced on his bed, and then he went into his closet where he met the chimichangas, a group of chihuahuas. This is San Diego, the leader of the chimichangas, and the biggest cat. He's got a big bumblebee that he burst open which he burst apart with his sword. When the bumblebee burst apart, all of the bees that he ate came out of him. And exploded Skippy's closet. My favorite part was when Skippy John flew out of his closet and landed in front of Mama Diva Jones. If you like cats and dogs, go to your library and check out this book. I think it is funny and you will too.